Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhinox Optimus tank or tailback. I hope you have watched my previous video in which I had mentioned some of the pros and cons of this bag. So in this video, I'll show you how to mount it on tank or as tailback. So as I mentioned in the previous video, it has the magnets, 5 magnets here. This is more suitable for metallic tank bikes. I mean like bullets or there are so many bikes which have metallic fuel tank. So this is more suitable for those bikes, but it also has straps, 4 straps, so you can use it on non-metallic fuel tank bikes also by closing the magnetic covers. So if you open this cover like this, you can use it on metallic bike, I mean a metallic tank bike. Otherwise you can just close it like this and use the straps, or you can even remove this magnet cover. You can remove the cover also. So by removing the magnet cover, you can use it simply by using the straps. So let's go to the bike. I'll show you how to mount it as tank bag, tail bag and backpack. There is my bike. I have kept it properly so that lighting is proper. So we're gonna mount here. Give me some time, I'll just clean it there. Some cleaning is there. Yesterday it was raining very heavily, so हालत ख़राब है. थोड़ा क्लीन करता हूँ पहले, बाद में माउंट करते हैं. 2 minutes. Alright guys, let's begin with the mounting. It's open. I'll just close it. So as the tank bag, it will come like this. It will look like this. And if you want to mount it as tail bag, then ulta. So for rider, this much space is there. That will be comfortable. That will be enough. So now I'll mount it as tank bag. For that, you have to use the strap what they have given, the one which has clip on the both sides, that will go below your chassis. But in FZ25, I don't know about other bikes, but in FZ25 there is a hole here, circular hole here. I don't know if you can see, there is a circular hole here. So I'll just take the strap through that, just like this. Just make sure that you don't strap it around the cables. There is a clutch cable and the front brake cable. So I have strapped it around the chassis. Now both the clips are here. I'll just leave it here. Then place the back and clip it. One side is over and the other side. Yes, front is done. You can even adjust this one, what tight or loose you can make, so that if you want your bag to be bit back or bit front like this, you can adjust with this one. Tight or loose, you can adjust the strap. And then the rear one, if you see, there is one male part clip and there is a hole, and the back footrest rod which you have here, you can use that. Just pass it through the hole which they have given here. That's it. No need of tying, nothing is there. That's it, nothing is simple. They have given a hole which is stitched. All you have to do is pass the clip through that hole and leave it. And the other hole, I mean the female part clip जो है, I have already inserted here. You can see it is in the same way. They have given one female part clip here and hole here. You have to pass this through that hole. That is done, and clip it. You can even adjust the tight. You can tighten it or loosen it. Just by pulling it, you can tighten it. That's again as per your convenience, you can adjust. And the extra portion what you have, you can just simply keep it like this. This will not disturb your legs while riding. That will be comfortable. And the right part, same thing. Then clip it. It's very tight. I'll just lose it. Loose. Yes, done. And then tighten it. हो गया. Now if you sit on the bike, it is not at all disturbing your leg. You can simply push it like this, nothing will happen. And the height, it comes up to the lower level of your chest. It's pretty comfortable. You can see the height here, and you can see the Odo also. You can mount your mobile here. I have a mobile holder here. I can mount mobile here, or I can keep the mobile here also. I'll just show you that. We can even keep the mobile here for GPS and use the GPS here. Done. But main thing is during sunlight the mobile will get too hot under this cover, so it's better to put it on mobile holder. So if I put the mobile holder, it will come like this, so I can see the GPS, but Odo will be blocked. That's okay. So this is how you mount it on tank. Hey buddy, what's up? Yeah. Hello. So I'm gonna remove this and then mount it as tailback. Now if you see here, I have pill and backrest. I can even use pill and backrest for strapping like this. Okay, but that is not the actual way. All you have to do is, there is a bit of disturbance in the background. You don't need to take it below this. If you take it below this, then it will keep on moving like this. You see that? So it's better to take below the brake lamp. Below the brake lamp it will be fixed. So I have taken it below brake lamp. That will be perfect. I just have to tighten it a bit. I have taken it below the brake lamp here and above the grab rail. That will be okay. And the rear one, it will be same. I just have to clip it and tighten it. Done. On the left side, same thing. I have to clip it and sorry, the clip came out, and tighten it. Done. Now you can see there is a lot of space for the rider. It will not be really uncomfortable. That will be perfect. If you have metallic tank bike, then all you can do is you can open this magnet cover like this and put it like this. Look at that. It will come like this. Both the sides you can just open it There are magnets here, here, and one here. So if you have, suppose you consider, okay, there is one magnetic tank bike here. This one is Hero old one Splendor. This has metallic tank, so we'll just put it like this. Look at that. Look at the magnet here. Magnet quality is good. Both the sides I have pasted. See, it's properly fitting. Oh god. Why do you wash clothes so rudely? That lady is washing clothes. Top. Okay. So this is how you use it on metallic tank and then strap it again. You can use the straps here and again below the chassis. This magnet is very good, but I don't have magnetic tank, so I'll just close it like this and use it like this. So the question, will it scratch the tank? Yes, it may scratch. It may, I'm not sure, but I have lamination here, so I don't have any worry. But on your bike, yes, it may cause some scratches, because when you keep your leg, it will be rubbing with your tank like this, so it may scratch the tank a bit. For that, again, you can use some cloth, you can wrap it around, then you can use, I have a cloth here. After clipping, you can simply wrap it with a cloth or something if you are extra cautious. Now the time has come to use it as backpack. All you have to do is remove the magnet cover, which is a 360-degree zip they have given here, which starts from the top and ends at the top. Look at that. Unzip it, then remove the magnet. Simple technique. Remove it. That is the magnet cover. So after removing that, you can find backpack strap like this, which you can clip to the bottom here. Then the other one is here. So I can just wear it as backpack. So guys, if you have any query, just comment below. I'll answer all your queries. So I'll show you how it will look after I sit there. I'll show you some of the photos at the end of this video. Watch that, see that, then you can decide whether to buy this bag's capacity is 25 liters and 31 liter when expanded. So what is expansion, I have shown it in previous video. Watch that video. If you have any other query, pros and cons, everything I have explained there. Then which laptop will fit in this bag, I have shown it in previous video. So okay, so if you have any query, comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Great day.